Based on a reliable intelligence input, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force East Khasi Hills District apprehended three drug traffickers, Ronald Lalu, 24, Thangboy Paite, 46, and Banpiralang Shabong, 41, at Lom Jingsuk Block A Madan-Rting at around 8 p.m. on August 31, 2022. Among the materials seized from the three persons were 26.61 grams of heroin, 31,380 rupees in cash, four mobile phones, three soap cases, five golden tin containers, four vials and one syringe, one TVS scooty bearing registration number ML05L1689, and one Hyundai Grande i10 red color vehicle bearing registration number ML05T9261. A case has been registered under Madan-Rting police station and investigation is still in process.